On behalf of all the past and present members of the Lawyers Helping Lawyers Committee, it is our honor to accept the Honorable John T. Curtin Profiles in Courage Award. Lawyers Helping Lawyers is a committee of the Bar Association made up of attorneys in recovery from drug and alcohol addiction that provides support, assistance, and resources to fellow legal professionals who need assistance. If you or someone you know needs help, please reach out and make the call.
There are a variety of resources available to members of the legal profession struggling with either alcohol or substance abuse issues. The coolest thing about the resources available is that we have a wonderful bar foundation that often will contribute almost the entire amount necessary to get people the treatment they need in order to get better. Each case is a little bit different, so there is no one size fits all approach when we get a phone call to help someone who's struggling. But some of the resources include going to detox and perhaps going to rehab. And in addition, the committee also provides monitoring assistance, which is essentially just linking up with a member of the committee to take the actions necessary to make sure that the person stays on the path to recovery. And the added benefit to that is the committee can then vouch for that member of the legal community in terms of any grievance issues or in terms of going before the character and fitness committee. I would just stress that if you know, or if you or anybody you know in the profession is struggling, just make the call.
The disease of alcoholism and drug abuse is first and foremost a disease of hopelessness and despair. When we come to that point where we can't stop drinking on our own and we're suffering consequences in our lives, the loss of a family, the loss of a job, the loss of a license, in many cases, the loss of a life, we realize that we need help, but we don't know where to turn. What the committee does is provide a message of hope and provides peer support from other members of the legal profession who've been there, who've suffered from this disease and overcome it. We can't reach out a hand to people in that dark place if they don't know we're here. We do outreach to the law school, the bar committees, law firms, governmental organizations, anybody that employs lawyers, paralegals, or law students. And we would appreciate the opportunity to speak to you about the services that we offer and that message of hope that can be so crucial. At the end of the day, we not only save careers and licenses and families, but we save lives. We on the Lawyers Helping Lawyers Committee don't want anybody to suffer needlessly. Please make the call.
A key aspect of the work we do on the committee is confidentiality. If you contact us for yourself or for someone else, those communications are privileged. This privilege is statutory in nature, codified under New York Judiciary Law, Section 499. Section 499 also provides immunity from civil liability for the people and entities involved in the recovery process. Make the call.